Z of x of n is equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity x of n z power minus n. This is the formula. But here we are going to find z of n square. For n square, there is another formula, z of n into x of n. The n square can be written as n into n, n into n. So n into x of n, which is equal to minus z d by dz x of z minus z d by dz differentiation of x of z. What is x of z? That is z of x of n. That is n. So z of n into x of n is equal to minus z d by dz of z of x of n. So z of n square is equal to, can be written as z into z of n into n. X of n is n. So minus z d by dz, z of x of n is n. So what is the z of n? Yesterday I explained you. Z of n is equal to z divided by z minus 1 whole square. Z divided by z minus 1 whole square. So that is z of n. So minus z d by dz, z of n value you have to write here. So minus z d by dz, z by z minus 1 whole square. Now we have to use the differentiation of u by v formula. So differentiation of u by v is equal to v du minus u dv divided by v square. So v du minus u dv divided by v square. So here, what is u? Z. What is v? Z minus 1 whole square. So u is z, v is z minus 1 whole square. So minus z into v u dash. First you have to write v, z minus 1 whole square. U dash, you have to differentiate the z. It will be 1 minus u v dash. U means v u dash minus u v dash minus u. U is z. V dash, we have to differentiate v. So z minus 1 whole square is v. If you are differentiating z minus 1 whole square, it will be 2 into z minus 1. Already there is a z. So minus 2z z minus 1 whole divided by z minus 1 whole power 4. So minus z minus 1 is common. So minus z into z minus 1. Z minus 1, if you are taking as a common, z minus 1 square will become as z minus 1. So minus z into z minus 1 into z minus 1 minus 2z divided by z minus 1 power 4. So z minus 1 minus 2z, z minus 2z will be minus z. So minus z into z minus 1 divided by z minus 1 power 4 can be cancelled. It can be cancelled. So minus z divided by z minus 1 whole cube into minus z minus 1. So minus z into minus of z plus 1 minus z minus of z plus 1 and be plus. So plus z into z plus 1 divided by z minus 1 whole cube. So z square plus z divided by z minus 1 whole cube.